Hi, I'm Chris.
I'm Tammy.
And I'm Gerald.
Welcome to our home. Today, we've got another set of pins that we've ordered and gotten in that we want to do an unboxing with. And so we want to invite you guys to unbox them with us, and then we're going to offer some of them up to you all for trades. Okay, so let's go on and open them. These I purchased from somebody who was not from Florida or California. They were just a collector who had moved away from Florida. And so this is the last of what she had. So let's go ahead and open them. It's like Allison packed it. You know, box inside of a box inside of a box kind of business.
I always like to tell people, be real careful when you're opening things. Sometimes people will put like little special things in there, like stickers, or they may send you a little special card, or who knows what they put in there. Sometimes they put things, so be careful when you're cutting your package open. You don't want to cut those things.
That's exactly right. I mean, we've gotten several things like that. So, all right, so.
Oh, wow. Okay. Well, none of these are packaged individually.
Yeah, if you send pins out, I would encourage you not to send them like this, all loose in a bag, because your pins are going to get scratched up and beat up possibly. So we're going to unpack them slowly. Hopefully they don't get any more beat up than they were.
This is a Smurfs pin, so that's not a Disney pin.
Not a Disney pin.
This is also a Smurfs pin.
There you go. She said when I bought them, the lady did tell me she would throw in some extra pins that she didn't think were Disney pins, and so I'm sure those were them. Go ahead.
So this is a Happy Holidays 2014 Boardwalk Resort pin. And it's like a snowflake, and it has Goofy. This says Happy Holidays.
And I've got some wreath pins here. Here's a Mickey Mouse. And here, it's limited release. Go ahead. You keep going with yours and I'll go with mine.
Here is a Daisy Duck. It is a limited edition, and it says Happy Holidays. And it's a, it opens up, and it's got the monorail, and it's from the Contemporary Resort. It's kind of cool.
And so this wreath pin is Tinkerbell, and unlike the Mickey, this one is not a limited release. This is a limited edition of 500. So I'm saying that's a chaser from that series. I believe that series came out in 2014.
Here is a 2018 Food and Wine with Mickey on it. It's a pretty cool pin.
So some more wreath pins here. I've got this Minnie Mouse wreath pin, which is a limited release. And then I have this Stitch wreath pin that's also a limited release. And so going with the holiday theming here with a lot of these pins.
Here is a Disney Studio Store limited edition with, it's a Lion King pin. That was really cool.
Here is another limited edition of 500 of that same series, which is pretty cool. It's pretty rare. It's a great pin.
Oh, this is kind of cool. This is a pass holder. Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party from 2016, and it's got Oogie Boogie on it. It's cool. And it moves, like the little parts on it move, so.
And then this is a Goofy wreath pin. It's got a picture of Cole on there.
This is a Very Merry Christmas Party pin set, and it's from 2017, and it's got Donald and just a Christmas ornament on it. It's a limited edition.
And this one here is a Donald wreath pin, limited release. So Gerald, so far, what is your favorite pin?
The Lion King pin.
Oh, the Lion King pin's pretty cool. Pretty cool.
Yeah.
This one's actually really cool. This is a limited release, and it's a Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party from 2018 pass holder pin, And it's funny because it has the Mickeys marked out and it says Donald's. And then they're like carrying Donald off. It's kind of funny.
That's cool.
That's funny.
So this here is a Disney store release. Dublin, Ireland is the idea for St. Patrick's Day. Mickey and Minnie. That's cool.
Here is a Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party. Also a limited edition. It's got the Evil Queen on it. I mean Maleficent, not the Evil Queen. Sorry. Sorry.
Alright, and this one here is a limited edition of 1,000. This one is part of a mystery box set that they were doing for a while. What you did is you bought the box and it came with 2 different ones. They called it the disguise, mystery disguise. So one you could see and one you couldn't. I actually am collecting that series slowly when I run across them, and this is one I need, so that's pretty cool.
This is a Disney Half Marathon, Princess Half Marathon pin from 2015, and it's a limited release.
Alright, and this is a set of cats here, the Siamese cats. I don't remember their names, do you?
Mm-mm.
Gerald, do you know these cats' names?
No.
Allison would love them though, Gerald, I'm telling you.
What do you think, Gerald? Would she love them?
No.
Alright, so this is a Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party from 2015. It's a Dumbo pin. It's a limited edition. It's cute.
This is an odd Captain Hook pin. Check that out. That's really neat. It's got the way it's set up, you can have that big head, but it's like everything else is misshapen. I almost wonder if this had a series of pins that went around it to form like a puzzle. And so I'm not sure. I have to look it up and do some research.
Now, I am not always a big Christmas pin fan, but this is from the Grand Floridian from 2018. It's limited edition.
Were we there in 2018?
We were, and this is super
and
cool.
I think
like
in
it.
2018 at Christmas we ate at the Grand Floridian.
We did. And it's got like a, like the little snowflakes move. It's cool. I like it.
I think this is a scraper. And so sometimes, like we've said before, when you order pin locks, you might get a scraper. The reason I feel that way is look at the back.
Oh,
See how your Mickey backs, your waffle back there is all faded out?
yeah.
So I think that's a scraper.
Maybe. Here is also a 2018 holiday pin. It's a limited edition, and this is from Epcot. So it's from that same little series. It's kind of cool.
Alright, so we've got a Tinkerbell here. It's kind of cool.
This is just a rack pin, and it's a football pin.
Alright, so here is a Mickey and Minnie pin. At first I thought it was a hidden Mickey pin because they have a hidden Mickey very similar to this, but this is not part of that series. I almost wonder if it glows in the dark. We'll tell you guys if it does in the video right here. But that's a pretty cool looking pin.
And then this is the last set out of my bag, and it is a Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party, limited release 2018. And this is kind of funny to me because, it's Orange Bird, and this kind of moves. But what's so funny to me is that Orange Bird is typically represented in Epcot more than anywhere else. So it's kind of interesting that Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party, that they would have an Orange Bird pin, considering that that's typically held in the Magic Kingdom.
So this is an Olaf wreath pin to go with those others. This is a limited release. I'll try and be a little fast here. This is a Sword in the Stone.
Jafar's hat.
Jafar's hat. And then Charnabog hidden Mickey tie that's a chaser. Outside of that, they have several Marvel pins here. These would be great, like if you ordered these would be great to send somebody as an extra, like throw in, hey, here's something cool if you find out that they like Marvel or something like that if you were trading with somebody. And so there's several of those right here. In fact, that's Groot. That's cool. And so this was our pin haul for today. These are pretty cool. I have a feeling several of these are gonna be highly collectible among people that we know. But what we're going to do is we're going to post a picture right now in the video, and these pins that you see on the board, those are the ones that are tradable from us to you guys. So if you see one of these, hop over to our Facebook page at Managing Mickey, and you can comment there on which one of these you like the most, and offer a trade up, and we'll look at your pin, and if you offer something comparable, then we'll trade with you, and you can get one of these pins from us. We appreciate you guys tuning in, and until next time,
From our house to yours.
Well, Gerald, you didn't say it. You gotta say it.
From our house to yours.